All right, if you're an SMMA owner and you still have no clients, this video is for you. This will help you get your first client. Also, I just want to go over the most key parts as to why you still have no clients, right? And the first thing is, right now, if you're just starting out, you have no clients, it's because number one is you're not doing enough cold outreach, right? You might think you are by reaching out to a couple people a day on Facebook, Instagram, cold DMs. You're not doing enough cold outreach. And when you are not doing enough cold outreach, you're also, I don't know how to do a sub. Okay. Okay. When you're not doing enough cold outreach, you're also not sending, Loom videos, not showing case studies that are congruent to the person's niche. Okay. Also, not explaining your process. You're not showcasing a good offer. And I'm going to go over each of these points. So, not sending Loom videos, right? You're not doing enough cold outreach, first of all. It means that you're not, if I were you, I'd be sending 50 to 100 DMs a day. And then, I would send out about 20 to 25 Looms a day. Okay. Not sending Loom videos, that's going to be crucial. If you're not sending Loom videos, then there's no way for you to have a visual representation of what the client's seeing. So like yesterday, I literally shot a video and I closed somebody through DM, and I'm going to have a separate video for that, which you guys can watch. But, you're not showcasing the case studies that are congruent as well. So while you're shooting this Loom video, you're giving them edits on their website, edits on what they could be achieving. And then in the thing, you're teasing case studies, or you have a page just for case studies alone. Like we have a landing page just for people to check out case studies. And in the beginning, if you have no clients, you can partner with a white label and you can use their case studies to leverage. Okay. So that's the first thing. Okay. And then also not explaining your process. Like, how is working with you going to work? Like, what's the first 7 days look like? What's the first 30 days look like? Explaining a timeline and action plan. Okay. And the last piece is not showcasing good offer. No guarantee, no, average, expectations, not enough value for the dollar, not offering them more services, not offering them TikTok, Google ads, all these different traffic sources that they could be using to make more money. Okay. That's the first thing. Not enough cold outreach. Okay. The second piece is, you are trying to play in the backfield, and I'm going to get into what that means. Okay? No personal brand, no personality, hiding behind a logo. A lot of people, not comfortable being on video. That's huge. That kind of has to relate to the Looms. Okay, you're trying to play in the backfield. It means that you're trying to just hide behind a logo, close deals with no personal brand, no personality, hiding behind the logo, and not comfortable being on video. You're trying to just sell with your logo, which means that if you're just trying to sell with your company name, you need to have an insanely good offer. Like, you need to have an insane offer, like 5x ROI guaranteed or whatever it is, and you have to be massively good at what you do. And you need a shit ton of case studies to do that. Reason why I do well is because I'm in the business of having a personal brand. So that's why I just set myself apart. Okay. Third piece is you have no predictability. Okay. And that's in your lead gen. Now, that is kind of the first point, but the difference is what? The difference is that, you won't do the grunt work. Get your first client. Okay? And I go over this in my program, how to get your first clients, the first link in the description that you guys can grab, okay? And it's less than $100. No reason why you can't get in. I'm not trying to charge you guys $1,000. I really don't care. You won't do the grunt work to get your first client, okay? You won't practice, follow-ups. You're just downright not hungry enough. When I first started, I was doing free trials. I wasn't trying to get paid up so much up front, right? You haven't done the work to prove your concept. Okay, and that's the other piece. And the last piece is you just simply have no fulfillment. Verbal fulfillment and no results to show. Okay. And that's through, that's where you can fix that by, partnering with a white label. Use agency elevation, agency box. Use these companies to partner with. You can use their results and testimonials to pitch. Okay. Second piece is, you are afraid of not bringing results. I think that's a huge thing. I feel like a lot of agency owners don't even want their first client. They say they do, but they really don't, because you're afraid you're not going to bring them results. You're not going to bring everybody results. You're not 100% success rate. If you were, you'd be the most in-demand person on the entire planet, okay? But you are afraid of letting that first person down, okay? So when I think about that, you need to really think about, hey, maybe I should get the right clients. Like, you should be getting low-hanging fruit clients, not the big fishes yet. And when I talk about this, it's not, oh geez, my fault. Okay, just so when I talk about low-hanging fruit, I talk about who are the easiest clients that you can get right now, which are going to be local business, influencers, brands with proven concepts, friends of family. You want to be able to get people that are a lot easier, and when you're able to get results around these, then you can start going for the big fish. Be like, hey, we worked with a brand in your same niche, we were able to get X, Y, and Z result, right? And personally too, I just think that a lot of people try to do cold outreach through email, and the cold email shit, in my opinion, does not work. I hate it. I think it's an actual legit scam. I would not want to be a business owner getting cold emails. I delete every single cold email that I get. But if you send me a Loom video that's valuable, and you show me case studies, and you explain your process, and you have a good offer, then people are going to be more willing to book a call with you, right? And then the last piece is going to be, and this is huge, you don't want to spend money on proven systems. You don't have to buy my program, I don't really care, but what I'm saying is like ads, funnels, landing pages, automations, sales, follow-up scripts, sales reps. The reason why you're not able to get clients too, because you're not spending money on shit that would make you want to get clients. Now you gotta pay for X, Y, and Z thing. If you're running ads, you have to figure out how to close deals. You have to go buy some scripts. You have to go, get a landing page and a funnel and learn ClickFunnels and all these things and implement automations for follow-up and, obviously lead nurture. You don't have clients because you're not spending money on anything. You have no reason to be accountable to shit. So that's why you're not getting clients too. It's not that I'm telling you to go spend $1 million, that I'm telling you to go buy a couple of things. Like maybe buy a couple programs. Go buy some funnel templates from agency owners. Like go connect with agency owners on Instagram. They'd be happy to send you a funnel that's working for them. They'd be happy to show information. Your network is your net worth. If you don't talk to people in the space and you don't just ask, and you're not going to receive. It's like my biggest thing. Ask and you shall receive. There's so many people that I know in the space that I always go to, I ask questions, and they always give me stuff for free because they know that I'm not a clown and I'm good for it. So you need to like open yourself up to, you know, ask people who are at least at your level how they're getting off the ground, how they're getting clients, and pick their brain. Like, they're not going to be massively offended. So understand that too. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Click the link, you know, first link in the description. You can like and comment any questions you have below, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.